What's going on, guys? I'm Kelly. This is Backyard Built, and on this episode I'm going to be showing you guys my Scion FRS. It's a 2013, and let me tell you, she is ratchet. This fender is doofed. It was pushed right in. I ended up pulling it out, trying to make it look half decent. I'm missing the side marker on the bumper, missing the fog light bezel. This grill is falling out. I plan on doing like a mesh grill in there. The bumper has a few chunks of paint missing too. Not really sure how that happened. It was all like this when I got the car. It's pretty stock though. Nothing under here. All I have is a gritty oil filter, cause well, why not? She's got these Enki wheels on it. These are actually off my 300, my Fairlader. I actually had to get wheel adapters to even fit those on there. But I have a pair that match them. These are Enki RP01s. Now I believe these are just the newer version. These are like the version 1s. Really similar, you can't even tell the difference. But yeah, this thing's got a hold fast wheel and a diamond shift knob. She's all pretty stock in here, stock interior. Still, these cars are really fun to slide. I actually like these chassis. I feel like they're the new age 240, you know. You can get in it, hit the track, slide, have fun with your friends. Yeah, it's got this dual exhaust. Sounds pretty good, pretty fresh. Nice crisp tone with that exhaust. I'm not even sure what brand it is. It's just a catback exhaust. This thing still has cats and everything. But yeah, plan on doing a bunch of things to this, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with the journey on this build for sure. Alrighty guys, so the first thing I want to do to this thing here, I want to modify this air box and try and get a little bit better air intake. I might even cut a nice little hole in there because, well, this bumper's ratchet anyway, and this whole car's pretty ratchet, so I might just go along with the theme pretty good. But winter's upon us here in Alberta, so I think I might as well just take advantage of that cold, crisp air while we can, eh? Okay, so let's just take this bumper off and get started. Okay, so this is the part of the airbox we're going to be modifying here. Now, I'd like to trim it, this whole side, up to about here, because this is where I'm going to be putting the hole in the bumper, so the air will be going straight in, right into the intake. I feel like that'll be the best bet, because not much air just kind of comes from the side here unless you're drifting. But yeah, we're just gonna pull it off and get into it and maybe do a little work to this bumper. I'm not too sure yet, just kind of winging this one. So this is what it looks like without that intake tube. You guys can see there's a hole going right into the air intake and into the motor. So if we can put a hole in the bumper and get that air to go right in there, I say, what the heck you need a cold air for? So this is where we're at. I chopped a hole in the bumper, put some mesh behind there. It's got the June style look to it. I'll clean it up again eventually once I do the mesh in here. This is what the intake tube looks like. I chopped the whole side off. If you see, I actually put some mesh inside there too, just to stop the big bugs from getting in there. But yeah, we're gonna put her back on now. I plan on finding an actual duct to fit in there, but just for now, I thought it would look cool. Alright guys, it's day 2 working on the FRS, and I'm just debating here, since I cut a hole in the front bumper, I think I'm just going to send it, do the rear bumper cut on this thing too. I think that'll give it the aggressive look I'm going for with this thing, and I might show the exhaust a little better because you can't see it whatsoever, but actually looks pretty cool. And here's just a quick before clip. So I got the rear tires off so I can get these screws for the mud flaps. But I also noticed, I think she's time for some new rubber. After last night, a little bit of hooning there. Took a few chunks out of the tire. It's a good piece missing there. This one's not as bad actually. It's definitely wearing into the wear bars, but this one has definitely seen better days. I guess it's time for some new tires already. But yeah, I'm gonna pull this bumper off and just start cutting. So I got the bumper off now, and I'm just going to show you guys what the exhaust looks like now. It's all pretty pitted. I'm going to go over it and clean it all up and show you guys how it turns out in the end. It's super pitted. You see it's shiny there where I wiped it down. But yeah, I thought I'd show a quick clip before. So this is after a quick once over with some Scotch-Brite. I actually have to run and get some more. I'm gonna do that right after I get this bumper back on, but it's looking pretty shiny, pretty good. Alright, so we got the bumper back on, and I like the way it turned out. It actually gives this car quite a bit more attitude. Shows off the exhaust more. Now I have my reverse lights just poking out of those holes right there. I plan on doing something to keep them there, position them there. I think I'm just going to tie it up for now. And this crash bar, I plan on either making my own or getting a new one. I was debating on painting it black. I think I'm just going to leave it white for now and see. If I get bored of it, I'll paint it black. If it grows on me, I'll just leave it white. But yeah, looks sick. Happy to get rid of that fake carbon fiber junk that was back here. I plan on doing a diffuser eventually. This is just kind of preparing for one and giving it some attitude while I'm at it. Okay, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Peace.